Hello viewers, welcome to another video lecture of Business and Financial Environment. You are watching our YouTube channel Event College Digital Classes and virtual platform of Udainath Autonomous College of Science and Technology. So in this paper, Business and Financial Environment, we discussed in our last class about the concept of business, the nature, the characteristics and the importance of business in the present era, the changing scenario of business and how we can cope up with the changing scenario of business. So when we are talking of a business, sustainability of the business, the changing scenario of the business and to cope up with this changing scenario, then a term that comes is the business environment. So this business environment plays a very vital and significant role in the sustainability of the business or to coping up with the changing scenario of the business. So what this business environment is, we are going to read in today's lecture video. So without much delay, let's start the video lecture of today on the concept of business environment. So if we'll see, the term business environment is composed of two words that are the business and environment. So in simple terms, the state in which a person remains busy is known as business, that very vividly we had discussed in our previous lecture. So the word business in its economic sense means human activity like production, extraction or purchase or sales of goods that are performed for earning profit. This is what business is, we had already gone through. The business environment now means what? That a collection of all individuals, entities and other factors which may or may not be under the control of the organization but can affect its performance, profitability, growth and even the survival. So every business organization operates in a distinctive environment as it cannot exist in isolation. So now what this business environment mean, as we had seen that this business environment is composed of two words that are the business and the environment, and what a business is we had already discussed that it is a state of being busy, if we will say in one sentence that it is an activity in economic sense in which the person is actively involved, economically involved in a repeated doing or dealing of something, either it is production, extraction, purchase, sale or any activity which is done with the purpose of making profit out of it. So that what a business is. And when we are talking of an environment, environment is nothing, that is something which is surrounding a particular entity or particular thing. So when we are talking of a business environment, it simply means every forces and factors, either internal or external, that is directly, indirectly going to affect the dealing of the business or affecting the performance of the business. That is what the business environment is. And this business environment is definitely very much important, as we know that as like any human being or any living being, it take the surrounding in which it lives with. Nothing in this universe can exist in isolation, and business is not a deviation. When we are talking of a business, it is definitely taking many factors around it to its existence. So that is what business environment is. Now such an environment, that is the business environment, influence business and also gets affected by its activities, that what is said. Now this business environment is what? It is the sum total of all external and internal factors that is going to influence the business, and the external factors and internal factors can influence each other and work together to affect a business event. So that is what is the business environment and the factors that are there in the business environment. Now what are the features of this business environment are? So if we see, the first and foremost feature of the business environment, that is totality of external forces. So what this totality of external forces mean, that business environment is the sum total of all things external to business firms, and as such it aggregative in nature. That is, it is a totality of everything, that it is taking everything in aggregation to the business. The second feature of business environment is it is specific and general forces. So the business environment includes both specific and general forces, and specific forces, by specific forces what we mean that these are such as investors, customers, competitors, suppliers, etc. They are the specific forces which is going to affect individual enterprises directly and immediately in their day-to-day working. They are the specific forces. And when we are talking of general forces, they are such as the general things or general entities with which the business is existing, such as social, political, legal and technological conditions. So they have impact on all business enterprises and thus may affect an individual firm only indirectly. So if we will see, so the basic feature or the first and foremost feature of the business environment, totality of the external forces that is there. The external forces and factors, those which are in aggregate acting on the business, that is what the features, that all the external forces are aggregatively acting or is influencing the business. That is the first and foremost feature. And the second thing is the specific and general forces. So there are some specific forces which are going to impact or which are going to affect the business directly. They might be the suppliers, the customers, the competitors, etc. So they are the specific forces, and there are some general forces in general, invariably those which are affecting a business, and they are like we can talk of the social and political part of the or the social and political forces that are going to affect the business, and they generally affect the business indirectly. So this is what the feature of the business environment is. So apart from this, there are some other features like the interrelatedness. That means different elements or parts of business environment are closely interrelated, and the other feature is its dynamic nature. That means the business environment is dynamic in that it keeps on changing, whether in terms of technological improvement or shifts in consumer preference or entry of new competition in the market. So whatever might be the situation or whatever might be the change in the environment in which the business is operating, it need to adjust it according to the change. That is what is the another feature of the business environment, is that it is dynamic. Apart from that, another important feature of the business environment is that it is uncertain. So uncertainty is another feature, that the business environment is largely uncertain, as it is very difficult to predict future happenings, and especially when environment changes are taking place too frequently, as in the case of information technology or fashion industries, it is very uncertain to predict that what is going to happen in the near future. So this uncertainty is an important feature of the business environment. Apart from that, another important feature is the complexity. Since business environment consists of numerous interrelated and dynamic conditions of forces which arise from different sources, it becomes difficult to comprehend at once what exactly constitutes a given environment. So there is a lot of complexity in the business environment, and this is an important feature. And if we will see, in other words, that environment is a very complex phenomenon that is relatively easier to understand in parts but difficult to grasp in its totality. So we can understand this business environment in parts or in different segments, but when it comes to understand it in totality, or to grasp it into totality, or to adjust to it into totality, or accept it into totality, then it is a very tough thing, or it is a very complex phenomena to understand. Now, if you see this complexity, for example, it may be difficult to know the extent of the relative impact of the social, economic, political, technological or legal factors on change in demand of a product in the market. So, it is a very difficult thing to identify that what is the impact of the product on the different aspects of the business environment. So, it is a very complex thing. Business environment is a very complex phenomenon that is a very important factor to understand. Now, apart from that, another feature of the business environment is that it is relativity. So, what does this relativity means? If you will see, this business environment is a relative concept, since it differs from country to country and even region to region. So, the like political conditions in the United States of America, for instance, different from those in China or Pakistan or even in India. Similarly, demand for, if you will see, saris may be fairly high in India, whereas it may be almost no existence in France. So, this is the relativity concept of businesses. Suppose we are doing a business, so comparatively or relatively one market is different from other, so as the business environment is different relatively from one place to another, one country to another, or one region to another. So, this is what the important feature of the business environment is. Now, let us have a look on the importance of this business environment. What is the importance of this business environment on the business? So, if you see, a good understanding of environment by business manager enables them not only to identify and evaluate, but also to react to the forces external to their firms. So, if we will see that we had understood what are the different features of the business environment is, and we know that how complex it is and how relative it is, and what is the aggregation of this business environment is. There are distinct features of this business environment. So, with this complexity, we are going into studying the environment in which we are doing the business. Now, what is the importance of this business environment is, if we look into that the managers, those who are operating in the business or those who are taking the decisions of a business, it is very important for them to understand the environment in which they are doing their business or in which they are dealing with. They need to scan the business environment and to find out that what are the opportunities, what are the threats, what are the weaknesses that are there with them, or what are the strengths that they are with, so that they will be giving a good competition to their competitors, grabbing the opportunities that are approaching, or even we can say that overcoming the weaknesses that they are having or threats that are approaching to them. So, this is the significance or importance of a business environment is for that for the existence, sustainability or the development of a business, we need to be very vigilant about the business environment in which we are dealing or operating. So, in specification, in bullets, if we want to, if we will put down that what is the importance of this business environment, then that are, it enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. So, if we know the business environment, we are scanning the business environment, we will be enabled to identify the opportunities and getting the first to move towards taking the advantage of that opportunity. For example, if you will see that we have a company or we can take for instance the company that is Tata. Tata is dealing with various products in various industries and various sectors. So he give and study, and he come to know that the majority potential customers of the Indian population are middle class. So for these middle class people, to cater the need of these middle class people, he conceptualized the most pocket friendly, the most budget friendly four-wheeler car, that is the Tata Nano. So that is what is the advantage of being vigilant to the business environment, is that be the first to identify and recognize the opportunity that is there, and be the first to move towards it and grab the opportunity. Another important thing of business environment is that it helps the firm to identify the threats and early warning signals of the threat that is approaching. It also helps in tapping useful resources. It helps in coping with rapid changes that is happening in around. It helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. It helps in improving the performance of the business even. So these are the importance of the business environment are. So now when we understand that these are the importance of business environment, or the business environment is so very important to be understood by the managers, we should know that what is the characteristics of this business environment. So let's have a look on the characteristics of business environment. If you'll see that it is dynamic, that is the environment in which the business operates changes continuously, because there is a wide variety of factors that exist in the environment causing it to change its shape and character. So it is a very dynamic in nature or character. It is very complex, that is there are many forces, events and conditions that constitute business environment and arises from various sources. So it is a bit difficult to understand the relative influence of a particular factor on the operation of the organization. So the important characteristic of business environment is that it is complex. It is very uncertain, that is uncertainty is an inherent characteristic of business environment, because no one can predict what is going to happen in future, and it is multifaceted, that is a single change in the business environment can be viewed differently by different observers because their perception vary. That is what is, it is multifaceted. Another important characteristic of business environment is that it is far reaching impact, that is the survival, growth and profitability of a business enterprise depends largely on the environment in which it exists. A small change in the environment has a far-reaching impact on the organization in different ways. So these are the characteristics of a business environment is. So we come to know that what a business environment is, what is the features, characteristics and the importance of the business environments are. So we come to know that business environment is the aggregation or the composition all the internal and external forces and factors that are going to be influencing the business directly or indirectly, and these forces and factors are controllable and sometimes uncontrollable. So the business need to adjust it according to the changes that are there in the business environment in which it is existing. We also come to know the importance of business environment, how significant and important it is for a manager to understand the environment and accordingly prepare the strategy for the competition that is there in its particular sector or particular industry in which it is operating. And we come to know about the different features and characteristics of the business environment and how to cope up with these characteristics or the features of the business environment and accordingly prepare our action plan. So, for today this is all. In our further classes we will be discussing many other things about the business environment. For today this is all. Thank you.